In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Zoho Invoice. Whether you need to include specific information such as a part number or job code on your invoices, the ability to customize can be extremely valuable. Fortunately, Zoho Invoice offers a feature called Custom Fields, which allows you to do just that. You can effortlessly add extra columns to your invoices, making them more informative and tailored to your business needs. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section. You can find this by looking for the gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of your Zoho Invoice dashboard. Once you're there, go ahead and select Invoices. This is your central hub for all things related to invoice configuration and customization. Next, you're going to explore the Field Customization tab. This is where all the magic happens. The field customization area is designed to give you control over the details you want to include in your invoices, offering you the flexibility to reflect the unique aspects of your business operations or client needs. Now, you'll want to click on Plus New Custom Field. This option allows you to create new fields that are specific to your requirements. Once you click on this, you'll see a prompt to enter a label name. This could be any terminology relevant to your business, like part number. Choose a name that makes sense for you and your clients, something they'll immediately understand. After entering your label name, you'll have the opportunity to select a data type for this new field. This ensures that the data is structured correctly and reflects what you're aiming to track or display. Depending on your needs, you might choose text if you want alphabetical input, number for numerical values, or date to specify a particular time frame. Choose the data type that best fits the information you're looking to showcase. There's also an optional step you can take here. If you'd like this new custom field to be visible on the invoice PDF, you can check the box labeled Show in All PDF. This will ensure that the field you've created appears on the finalized document that gets sent to clients. It can be a great way to maintain transparency or highlight necessary details that are crucial for the transaction. Once you've configured all these details to your satisfaction, just go ahead and click Save. By doing this, you've successfully added an extra level of description and detail to your invoices. Custom fields not only enhance the information presented, but also help make the invoicing process more aligned with your business practices. I hope you find this feature as advantageous and dynamic as many other users have. Tailoring your invoices with additional columns can indeed simplify communication and make data presentation far more effective. Thank you for watching, and enjoy customizing your Zoho invoices to their full potential.